Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan peanut butter cookies. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet with parchment. I'll explain ingredient swaps, mixing order, and dough consistency so cookies bake evenly. We'll test 2 sweeteners and a simple press technique for classic crisscross tops. Follow along at your own pace and taste as you go, making small adjustments until you love the results. Start by creaming peanut butter with your chosen sugar and the flax egg until smooth and creamy. Stir dry ingredients together separately and fold them into the wet mix just until combined, avoiding overwork. If dough feels sticky, chill for 20 to 30 minutes to firm up for shaping. Scoop uniform balls for even baking and press gently with a fork for traditional texture and appearance, spacing them to allow spreading. Bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees F until edges are set and centers look slightly soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes so they finish setting, then move to a wire rack to cool fully. For chewier results, underbake by a minute. For crispier cookies, add a couple more minutes. Store in an airtight container and separate layers with parchment to preserve texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.